Hi, my name is Coach Jim O'Connor from wellnessword.com, your trusted body transformation advisor, helping you look better, feel better, and to perform better in life. Today's topic is why exercise for fat loss or weight loss over 40 isn't the most effective thing to do. And I can't believe I'm saying that, but yes, you heard it correctly. Exercise for weight loss is not the most effective thing that you could be doing. So suppose you go into your closet, grab some clothing, you put it on, and you realize that they're way too tight. That leads to frustration, doesn't it? You look in the mirror and you don't feel great about yourself. This happens to most of us on a regular basis. So what do? Such as a New Year's resolution, we've had enough. Enough is enough, and what we're going to do is going to make a change. So the change is this for most people. I'm going to start exercising because that's going to take care of it, and I'm going to get into my clothes. I'm going to feel better about myself. I'm going to look better in the mirror. So they start an exercise program. So the first thing that comes to mind, they start a walking program. They start walking 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and they do it religiously on a daily basis, and they're pretty darn consistent. And they figured that's going to do it. They're going to walk on the treadmill, do a walking program. They're going to try to do some kind of physical activity. So people have great intentions. And of course, they know they need to change their diet a little bit. But generally, what that does is that lasts about 5 days. A few days, and all of a sudden their friends call and say, hey, let's go out tonight. Let's go have some pizza. Let's go to this dinner. And the next thing you know, you're off the nutrition program. But you're still going to walk because you think walking is good. It's physical activity. It's going to help you lose weight. So that's what you're going to do, and you're going to be consistent, and you're going to do this. Well, guess what happens after a month or so? You look at the scale, and you say, uh-oh, all this time I invested, I've lost nothing. I've lost nothing. Zero gain for all the time I invested in walking. And that leads to frustration because your intent, number one, was to walk off all those calories. Walking off all those calories. That was your main objective, is exercise for weight loss. And the type of exercise you chose is walking, or a low impact type of exercise which most people choose when they want to lose weight. So that can lead to frustration and stopping completely, and here we are back not able to get into the clothes, looking in the mirror and not being happy. It's a vicious cycle that occurs to most people. So I'm here to explain today that what you need to do is understand the exact right thing you need to be doing if you want body composition changes, and the right type of exercise you need to be doing to help facilitate it. No, once again, exercise is not the most effective way to lose weight, not the effective method to lose weight. It helps you prevent from gaining weight back, exercise does. And there are other major physiological positive things that happen when you exercise. So that's something you need to understand as well. But there are two things that you need to focus on. Number one, the proper nutrition program is crucial, much more important than exercise when it comes to weight loss. Once again, the proper nutritional program where you're in a caloric deficit day after day after day to help elicit long-term change. That is the key. That is the number one key right there, way more important than exercise. Suppose you go out and you eat a piece of pizza. So what is that, 200, 300 calories? How long does it take to walk off that piece of pizza? An hour, hour and a half? Can we constantly try to undo the damage by walking? It's almost like a punishment. So what happens in an exercise, we feel like we need to burn those calories off. It's almost like a punishment for eating, and that's not the correct way to think about exercise. So number one, nutrition. You have to be on the right nutrition program consistently that you're going to stick to, that's going to keep you in a caloric deficit day after day after day, consistently for the long term. Number two, walking or low impact cardiovascular exercise is not the most effective thing that you can do in coordination with being in a caloric deficit. It would be strength training. That would be number one, because what you're doing is you're trying to increase your metabolic rate by keeping your muscle tissue, your lean tissue, metabolically active tissue, while you're in a caloric deficit losing body fat. So number one, it's the nutrition. Number one, nutrition, 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 way more important than exercise. And I'm not saying exercise isn't important. Exercise can help, but it's got to be the right type of exercise, and that is strength training is the number one way. And most people have no idea. They'll go walk on a treadmill or walk around their neighborhood 5 days a week, and they'll get on the scale and they'll see nothing. No body changes, no body composition changes, and they'll be completely unhappy. So just a quick message that I want to share with you today. Now, if you like this, if you resonate with this and you can help others, share it, like it, because it can help others, because the information here is basic stuff that you really need to understand that so many people get wrong. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Appreciate it so much. Go visit my website right now because I have a program to help you even further called the Neuro Body Transformation Program. It's where I work with you one-on-one in a coaching situation where we work on one habit at a time. We unravel one habit, we build one habit to have long-term change overall. So that's the proper way to facilitate behavior change when it comes to losing weight and keeping it off together, or changing your body, or recomposing your body. That is the key. So click the link below in this description box and it'll take you to my website. You'll get more information for 100% free. I'm not going to charge you for information on this program. It's something you must check out because it can absolutely change your life. So go ahead, click the link right now in the description box and I will take you to a private video to explain exactly what the Neuro Body Transformation Program does. And I know it can change your life, so take care and have a great day.